beneath the glow of neon lights, where screens replace our sight. Echoes of connections lost, a fragile soul at what cost? Lies within circuits, a ghost unseen, binding our hearts to a soulless machine. Whispers in the cold, shadows in the glow. Are we forging bridges or depths we'll never know? Data runs through veins, emotions built in frames. Will the future bring us closer or erase our names? A voice too smooth, a face too bright, simulating warmth in the dead of night. Loneliness wrapped in synthetic charm, yet something human feels the alarm. What's real? What's illusion? Lines blur in our confusion. A spark of doubt, a fleeting fear. Do we lose ourselves when the truth appears? Whispers in the code, shadows in the glow. Are we forging bridges or depths we'll never know? Data runs through veins, emotions built in frames. Will the future bring us closer or erase our names? And as we reach for what's unseen, through wires and waves, a haunting dream. The silence grows, the questions hum. Have we just begun or come undone? Or come undone? And as we reach for what's unseen, through wires and waves, a haunting dream. The silence grows, the questions hum. Have we just